So I'm showing this off with my daughter, who I love very much, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I just got these in, and I got them for you, for your safety. Okay? And I think this will be a, how do you say, an item that you would get if you have the same concern I have. So what's my major concern about this chair and you? What am I always telling you? That you should not be doing with this chair.
What?
What?
Riding on it.
Riding on it? Yeah, you slide. I have a 50-foot long hall, which my daughter loves to sort of, I guess, body glide on this thing. And she moves. But every time I see it, the hair in my back, the back of my hair just rises, and it scares me. Am I correct? What do I tell you to do when I see you do that?
To stop doing it.
Why?
Because then I would get hurt.
Yep, you're gonna get hurt. So I'm really worried about it, but I can't always be there watching her when me and this chair can not be around in the same place all the time. So I came up with a solution. Do you want to know what the solution is? You want to know what it is?
What is that?
What is this? All right, now that's what we're gonna look at.
Oh wait, I know. It's this. Take the wheels off
And
then replace it.
with
Those.
awesome.
So actually,
I'm gonna be putting felt here because of the wood floor. I don't want any scratches whatsoever, especially because of weight. But these are replacements for the wheels on these rollerblade wheels, which are great. I don't have a problem with them. But when you have kids around, you know, they just love to it's just, these things are so smooth. You can go across a hall at a very high rate of speed. Always makes me very nervous. So I looked for a solution, and I found these, and I think I'm going to be happy with these. So we're going to replace the chair with
I'm
these.
not. No, you're not.
No, I'm not.
I'm taking half of them.
Samara, I bought extra ones.
Then I'm going to take those too.
You have to take them off, and I'm going to hide the wheels. So you're either going to have this or no wheels. You decide. So I'm going to put felt on it, but this is the way it looks. It's a plastic, hard plastic underneath. My daughter's so happy that we're getting them.
No,
right?
I'm not.
And she's not happy. Oh, but I am.
Because I never get hurt. I mean, never.
I know. Thank goodness.
I never am going to.
Well, we're hoping for that because we can't make promises.
And it will never happen.
I don't want to end up in the emergency room because I didn't take action in regards to that. You know, it just makes me.
You're not going to be in an emergency room.
All right.
The only time you're going to be in an emergency room is when one of your loved ones is very sick.
But one of my loved ones, like yourself, could get very sick by riding this across the hall, hitting that wall at a very high rate of speed, and you get a bump on your head, and we gotta go do X-rays in your head.
I don't go at a high speed. I just go around I just go like across. I just spin around on it, and I never get hurt.
Okay.
Like I'm just spinning around.
So can we try it for a little while and see how it works first?
No.
No. Let me do some measurements on this device. These are this long from the base. So they should fit about the same as the wheels that I have. So it should leave it at the same height. And the wideness is about 2 inches wide. It's kind of hollow there in the middle. And it's supposed, I think they take up to 200 pounds each. So I think that's the weight limit. But at the end, I'll confirm that with the details. It's really nice. I like them. And they were cheap. They weren't too much. They were about $12. And they are a great alternative to these rolling chairs, which I love. But with kids, sometimes you have to make...
I'm never going to get hurt on them.
I know, but with kids, you sometimes have to make...
I promise,
child safety. You're going to put that in your pocket and run away? Okay, let's start putting it together.
Info from website AXL chair glides to replace casters. Office chairs stationary office replacement chair without wheels and high bell glide set of 5-pack. High cost $12.59. Purchased on Amazon website. Bell glides can be used on wood, metal, and tubular metal chairs, furniture and other equipment. Contemporary design, strength, and performance make these replacement casters an excellent choice for office and home furnishings. With appropriate stems and fasteners, each caster can be used on wood, metal, and tubular metal chairs, furniture and other equipment. Safely glide. Perfect solid nylon structural glides designed to handle more weight on any of desk chairs, workshop chairs, or any other stool glides applications. 100% worry-free purchase. If there are any issues with your product, please contact us to let us know and we will refund and/or send you a new product absolutely free. As a small, family-owned business, our reputation and your satisfaction are supremely important to us. Product description: size, high feature, good traction with smooth action. These glides remain stable across smooth floor surfaces such as wood, tile, and laminate. 2 easy install. Glides are very easy to install, with no tools needed. Specification: product name, Stationery nylon casters. Glide material, nylon steel. Color, black top, 2.4 width, 61 mm. Bottom, 2.2 width, 55 mm. Installation height, 22 mm. Stem size 7/16x7/8, 11x22 mm. Package include 5x stationary nylon casters. Glide note: 1. It is not compatible with IKEA chairs. Product information: size, high technical details. Manufacturer AXL, global brand name AXL. Item weight 12.8 ounces. Package dimensions 8.98 x 6.54 x 2.32 inches. Material type nylon. Size, high. Manufacturer part number AXL 38. Additional information: ASIN B07X52M6K4. AXL chair glides to replace casters. Office chairs, stationary office replacement chair without wheels and high bell glide set of 5-pack, high.
So, what do you think? I'm asking my wife.
I love it.
My daughter, what do you think?
It's horrible. I just...
Oh,
this
it has rollers.
Now I can easily just spin around like this.
Huh.
Besides,
Okay,
that's what I do.
I don't mind you doing that so much as the whole rolling of the wheels. It works really well. I like it. It keeps the same height. It seems to be working fine. I put felt underneath to make sure it doesn't scratch the floor. And
I
it
can
takes away the
easily just
wheels.
spin around.
Not safer, what do you think?
Yeah.
I can actually easily just spin around and then I can't actually like roll like away.
Well, the nice thing is even with the felt, you can still roll it out of the way. And you don't really need to, hold on one moment, let me just show them. So you can still slide it across a nice safe floor. I would suggest putting felt because that plastic I think will definitely scratch the wood floors if you have wood floors. Rugs, I think you would have to pick it up and wouldn't need that. Well, you know what? On rugs with the plastic underneath will probably be better because it'll slide on the rug a lot better. But if you have wood floors, you can slide it back and forth with the felt underneath, just like if you had wheels. Now you don't have the mobility when you're sitting on it, but you do have the added safety, and you could still use it. You know, I use the wheels not while I'm actually sitting on the chair. It's a temporary chair I use in the living room so that when I'm at my laptop, I have a certain height and I can use it. But like I said, my daughter loves to just treat this as a body gliding, rollerblading, roller skating device, and I just took that away. I just got really tired of telling her to please no, don't roll on this way. I actually put this away in storage for a long time, but I actually do need it, so I do use the chair a lot. And this will allow me to feel better, that knowing that when I'm away from the chair, my daughter's not sliding across the hall with this thing, and God forbid something happens. So it's just a safety measure. I like them besides the fact that it keeps it stable. They're nice. I'm really happy with the purchase. Plus the price is a lot cheaper. The wheels themselves cost about $20 to $30. These are $10 to $12, so it's about half the price. But you lose all the convenience of having wheels and rolling this all over the place. One of the nice things is that this chair sometimes seems to roll away from when I need it. So when I go to sit down, I have to double check to make sure it's still there, because even with the rollerblade wheels, even wind blows this away. If you have the fan on, it literally will blow this chair to the other side of the room little by little, and you'll go to sit down and it won't be there. So be careful when you have rollerblade wheels. But overall, I really like the device. I mean, I really like the pegs. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.
Info from website AXL chair glides to replace casters. Office chairs, stationary office replacement chair without wheels and high bell glide set of 5-pack. High cost $12.59. Purchased on Amazon website. Bell glides can be used on wood, metal, and tubular metal chairs, furniture and other equipment. Contemporary design, strength, and performance make these replacement casters an excellent choice for office and home furnishings. With appropriate stems and fasteners, each caster can be used on wood, metal, and tubular metal chairs, furniture and other equipment. Safely glide. Perfect solid nylon structural glides designed to handle more weight on any of desk chairs, workshop chairs, or any other stool glides applications. 100% worry-free purchase. If there are any issues with your product, please contact us to let us know, and we will refund and/or send you a new product absolutely free. As a small, family-owned business, our reputation and your satisfaction are supremely important to us. Product description: size, high feature, good traction with smooth action. These glides remain stable across smooth floor surfaces such as wood, tile, and laminate. Too easy install. Glides are very easy to install, with no tools needed. Specification. Product name, Stationery nylon casters glide material, nylon steel. Color, black top, 2.4 width, 61 mm. Bottom, 2.2 width, 55 mm, installation height, 22 mm. Stem size 7/16x7/8, 11x22 mm, package include 5x stationary nylon casters glide note. 1. It is not compatible with IKEA chairs. Product information. Size high technical details. Manufacturer AXL global brand name AXL. Item weight 12.8 ounces package dimensions 8.98 x 6.54 x 2.32 inches material type nylon. Size high manufacturer part number AXL 38 additional information. ASIN B07X52M6K4 AXL chair glides to replace casters, office chairs stationary office replacement chair without wheels and high bell glide set of 5-pack, high.